In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google and YouTube into your Shopify store seamlessly. Whether you're just getting started with e-commerce or you're a seasoned online store owner, leveraging the power of Google and YouTube can supercharge your business and amplify your reach. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Shopify. If you're familiar with running your online store, this will be like second nature to you. But for those of you who might be new to this platform, simply open your preferred web browser and go to Shopify's website. From here, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following their easy-to-understand registration process. Once you've successfully logged into your Shopify dashboard, it's time to head over to the Shopify App Store. This is your go-to destination for all the plugins and tools you'll need to optimize your online store. Within the App Store, you'll find a search bar. Click on it and type in Google and YouTube. This search will bring up various apps designed to help you integrate these powerful platforms with your Shopify store. Selecting the right app is crucial, so make sure you choose one that fits your specific needs and has good reviews. Today, we're focusing on installing and setting up an app that allows you to connect both your Google and YouTube accounts with your Shopify store. This integration will enable you to effectively manage your marketing campaigns, track your store's analytics, and even use YouTube as a powerful promotional tool. Once you've selected the app, simply click on the installation button. This will initiate the app's setup process. Don't worry, most apps in the Shopify ecosystem are designed with user-friendliness in mind, meaning they'll guide you through the setup step by step. Generally, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account to authorize the app to access your Google and YouTube platforms. It's essential here to ensure that you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for different purposes. After signing in and granting the necessary permissions, the app will automatically sync your data and configure itself to start working its magic on your Shopify store. You might be asked to set a few preferences tailored to your business objectives, such as targeting specific customer demographics or focusing on particular product lines. Once the installation is complete, take a moment to double-check everything and make sure the app is functioning as expected. You can usually find it listed among your installed apps within Shopify. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully integrated Google and YouTube into your Shopify store. In just a few steps, you've opened up a whole new world of marketing opportunities, boosting your store's potential to engage with a wider audience and drive more sales. Remember, exploring these tools and understanding their analytics will be key to harnessing their full potential. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more insightful guides like this.